What if you could have a professional website live on the internet in the next 60 seconds? Not a template, not a skeleton you still have to fill in. A complete, professionally designed, SEO-optimized website, built, hosted, and published in 60 seconds. If that sounds too good to be true, I need you to watch the next 4 minutes, because I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why thousands of entrepreneurs wish they'd found this sooner. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a great business idea, got genuinely excited about it, and then watched that excitement slowly die because getting a website up felt like climbing a mountain? Maybe you hired a developer, paid way too much, waited way too long, and what they delivered looked nothing like what you imagined. Or maybe you tried one of those easy website builders, spent an entire weekend fighting with templates and plugins, and still ended up with something that made you cringe every time you shared the link. Here's the truth nobody in the website industry wants you to figure out. Building a website does not have to be this hard. The complexity, the cost, the confusion, it's all manufactured, engineered on purpose. Because when you're overwhelmed and dependent, they make money. Hosting fees, builder subscriptions, plugin upgrades, developer charges. The average entrepreneur is bleeding between $100 and $400 every single month just to maintain a website that still doesn't perform the way they need it to. That ends today. Introducing SitesRobot. This is not a website builder, it's a website robot. Here's the difference. With a traditional builder, you are the designer, you are the copywriter, you are the SEO specialist. The platform gives you the tools, you still have to do every single job. With SitesRobot, the AI does every job. You type your idea. The robot builds the entire website. Watch this. I type, personal injury law firm in Dallas, free consultations. I hit generate, and right now, in real time, you can see SitesRobot writing the code, building the layout, writing the copy, structuring the navigation, optimizing for mobile, applying SEO best practices, and done. 52 seconds. A complete professional law firm website with a hero section, a services page, an about section, a testimonials block, a contact form, fully mobile responsive, SSL included, hosted and ready to publish. That website is now live, on the internet, accessible anywhere in the world, 52 seconds. Here's everything you get when you join SitesRobot today. The AI website engine that builds complete professional sites in under 60 seconds. Premium cloud hosting, included free, forever, no monthly fees, no server setup. Free SSL on every site, installed automatically. A full drag-and-drop editor for any customizations you want. A built-in AI logo designer. Full e-commerce functionality. Product pages, cart, checkout, done. High-converting sales funnels and landing pages. 100% SEO-optimized code baked in from the start. A commercial license, so you can build websites for clients, charge whatever you want, and keep every dollar. That's the platform. But today you also get 5 exclusive bonuses, including the SitesRobot Income Blueprint, a step-by-step system for building a $5,000 to $15,000 a month business using this tool. The total value here is over $6,000. Your investment today? Not $97 a month, not even $19 a month, $15. One time, no monthly fees, ever. Now I need to be honest with you about the price. $15 one time only works during this launch window, when volume is high enough to offset our AI infrastructure costs. Once this window closes, SitesRobot moves to a monthly subscription, the same platform, significantly more money. This isn't pressure, it's just math. And if for any reason you're not completely satisfied, you have 30 days to request a full refund. No questions, no hoops, every penny back. You take zero risk. As we offer 30 days ironclad money-back guarantee. So here's where we are. You've seen the problem, you've seen the solution, you've seen the proof, you've seen the price. The only question left is, how many more days are you going to let your competitors have a professional website while you don't? Click the button below right now, get instant access to SitesRobot, and build your first professional website in the next 60 seconds. I'll see you on the inside.